In this part 8 of our study of expected chemistry questions for JAMB exam, our focus is actually on those who want to score 300 and above in the JAMB. If you want to score 130, 170 in your need for you to watch this video. Just enter the hall and pray to your God. But if your target is 300 and above, if your target is I must enter university this year, if your target is getting into that preferred university that you have always wanted, then I need you to focus. This video is for you. If you're a JAMB chemistry student, let's go on. There is no time. This exam is so crucial, so important that you need to pay rapt attention. I was telling you in the other videos that this year alone, 2.something million persons registered for JAMB. That is to say that there is a greater competition. There is a bigger competition for admission, for entering into school. So you need to be extra serious. If you have been reading for 30 minutes or 1 hour, please double your effort. After the JAMB, I will tell you, you can joke, you can play, you can party, you can go out. But right now, the time is study and study. In part 8, we will continue from where we stopped in part 7. The maximum electron in N shell is dash. The maximum electron in N shell, I gave it to you as an assignment, and here is the answer. The maximum electron is 32. The N shell is the 4th orbit. The N shell is the 4th orbit with 32 maximum number of electrons using 2n squared. This is the formula. Now, assignment for you. Remember, because what you are watching is not Nollywood, is not Papa Jessica or Super Story. It is a real study, even though we are here on YouTube. Now, assignment I have for you is mention all the shells. The N shell is the 4th shell, so mention for me the 1st shell, the 2nd shell, and the 3rd shell. Then you now tell me, when you mention them, tell me the maximum number of electrons each of them. You come to the 1st one, tell me the name of the shell and the maximum number of electrons, the 2nd one and the 3rd one. That is your first assignment. The reason is the question JAMB may not be exactly the way this one is. They may now choose another kind of question, another kind of shell for you. Question 13. Remember that this is not the only video we have done in chemistry. In fact, what you are watching is you are watching part 8. We started from part 1, 2, 3, 4 until we are now in 8. Even after 8, we have done 9, 10, 11, and all the rest. Even beyond 20, different parts, giving you all the areas, all the angles. I've also done a video on the 15 topics that JAMB will select their questions from in chemistry. Now, if you want me to give you access to all the videos we've done on chemistry, what you need to do is just come under the comment of this video and say, please give me the link to the videos in chemistry. So just tell me to give you the link to the videos in chemistry. Ensure you mention chemistry and tell me to give you the link in chemistry. I could give you access to all of them so that you will begin from part 1 to watch. There are also some other videos we have done for you writing JAMB. Look at question 13 for you. A sample of any of the following substances disappears after some time when exposed to air, like camphor, naphthalene, and dry ice. This phenomenon is called dash. A sample of any of the following substances disappears after some time when exposed to air, like camphor, naphthalene, and dry ice. This phenomenon is called what? Now pay attention. You know, let me use a popular example. Camphor. You know camphor now? Once you expose it, once you keep it and expose it to air, before you know it, it will begin to reduce. It will evaporate into the air without turning into water, without turning into liquid. You know, normally, if you keep a solid material, like if you keep a blocked oil, right? The oil, whether granite oil or red oil, it will melt, turn into liquid first, then it will now escape and become gas. but there are certain solids that will turn into solid immediately. No, they will turn into gaseous form from solid without becoming liquid. What is that process called? The process is called a sublimation. Say it, sublimation. Let me explain. Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from solid phase to the gaseous phase without passing through the intermediate liquid phase. Substances that sublime rapidly include iodine, dry ice, menthol, and camphor. The camphor one is very, very popular. Okay, our mothers and grandmothers used it before the days of perfume. Okay, or do you use camphor? Okay, look at question 12. I hope you are following. If you watch this particular video now till the end, I'm going to give you a gift, and that gift is I'm going to give you free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question on your 4 subjects, including use of English, chemistry, and the other subjects. Now, we have also done a lot of videos on use of English. You cannot escape it. There will be 60 questions from use of English. There will also be questions from the JAMB novel for this year. And we have done a lot of videos on the JAMB novel. Now, if you need me to give you the link, access to all the videos we have done on use of English or the JAMB novel, all the videos I've done on physics, on chemistry, on biology, any of the subjects, just mention the subject in the comment section and tell me, give me the link to, please give me the link to this subject, to the videos I've done on this subject. Just tell me to give you the link to the videos we have done on those subjects, and I may consider giving you access to all of them free of charge. Oxygen is absent in dash. A. Kerosene. B. Soil. C. Glass. D. Cement. The answer is A. There is no oxygen in kerosene. Do you understand? Just note it. There is no oxygen in kerosene. Kerosene gets oxygen from the air. Do you understand? Let's look at question 11. Which gas causes global warming? There is a lot of talks on global warming, you know, how it causes environmental issues and all the rest. Which gas causes that global warming? Is it O2, oxygen dioxide? Is it oxygen? Is it CO2, carbon dioxide? Is it nitrogen? Is it helium? Carbon dioxide is the primary greenhouse gas emitted through human activities. CO2 is a colorless gas. The answer is actually CO2, number, I think, B. CO2 is a colorless gas having a faint, sharp odor and a sour taste. Global warming is the long-term heating of the Earth's surface observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1900 due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat-trapping greenhouse gas level in Earth's atmosphere. So the culprit here is CO2, carbon dioxide. That is what is causing all the wahala we are having. Okay? Are you still following? Now, if the videos I make are helpful to you, don't fail to tell me. Sometimes I feel that the videos I make are just a waste of my MB and my precious time, right? Because I try to give you at least 1, 2, 3 videos every day. If these videos are helpful to you, don't fail to tell me. It will encourage me to do more, okay? The atomic weight of nitrogen is dash 10, 12, 14, 16. Atomic weight of relative atomic mass is the ratio of the average mass of a chemical element's atom to some standard, defined as the weighted average of the mass of the isotopes of an electron compared to 1/12 of the mass of the carbon-12 atom. The formula for relative atomic mass is isotope mass times isotope abundance divided by 100. Now, the atomic weight of electron is what? Of a nitrogen is what? Is C, 14. Now, I want to give you an assignment. Write down the first 20 elements in order for me in the comment section. I think this should be the second or third assignment for this particular video. Write down the first 20 elements for me in the comment section, starting from hydrogen, helium, then until you get to the last. Right? There is a reason I give you an assignment. I am teaching you not as an actor or as a Z-word actor or Nollywood actor. No, I'm teaching you as a teacher, and I want you to understand. Part of the tools is for you to give you assignments. Whenever you submit an assignment I gave you, it communicates to me that you are one of the serious subscribers in this channel. It communicates to me that you are serious about this JAMB. Now, there's something I see in the coming JAMB that makes me to choose particular assignments to give. Go and give me the first 20 elements. Write them down for me in the comment section. Okay? Let's look at question number 9. Which of the following are chemical changes? Which of the following are chemical changes? A. Cooking food. B. Cooking food. B. Digestion of food. II. Freezing of water. IV. Water is heated up. The answer actually is A. I and II. Cooking of food, digestion of food, all of them are chemical changes. Now, there are two kinds of changes. We have chemical changes and physical changes. The next assignment I would have explained, but it's very important. There's something I see that is about to happen. That's why I want you to go over, study about define chemical change and physical change, then tell me the difference between chemical change and physical change. As many differences as you can enumerate. It is when you now know the difference between chemical change and physical change that you will now know why freezing of water is not chemical change and water being heated up is not chemical change, right? So check on those assignments and submit them to me immediately. Okay? Question number 8. What is question number 8 saying? Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? A. Chlorine. B. Phosphorus. C. Bromine. D. Helium. The answer is simple. Bromine with the symbol Br and atomic number 35 is the third lightest halogen. It is a volatile red-brown liquid at room temperature that evaporates readily to form a similarly colored vapor. So the answer is bromine. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? The answer is what? Bromine. Br. Okay, are you still following? By the way, if the videos I make are helpful to you, if you are benefiting from the videos I make, let me know. Let me know. Tell me that the videos are helpful. Share with me how those videos are helping. If you are following the videos I make, let me know. It will help me to know that I am not wasting my time. Okay? I want you to make me proud in this JAMB. I want you to claim it, that it will make me proud, that it will make your parents proud, that you will enter school this year. I want you to claim it in the comment section, that you will enter school this year, that you will enter into your preferred university, that you will score 300 and above, not 130, not 150, right? That you will not be among those that will be ashamed of your result. You will enter school and progress in your preferred choice of institution and the course you intend to study. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. If you don't claim it, leave our channel for us. Leave our channel for us. Which of the following is not a mixture? A. Air. B. Mercury. This kind of question is always coming out. Difference between mixtures and compounds. There's an assignment for you. Tell me difference between mixtures and compounds. Which of the following is not a mixture? A. Air. B. Mercury. C. Milk. D. Cement. The answer is mercury. Mercury is not a mixture. I think mercury should be an element. A mixture is a material made up of two or more different chemical substances which are not chemically combined. Which are not chemically combined. Which are not chemically combined. That is a mixture. Mercury with the chemical symbol Hg and the atomic number 80 is an element that has not reacted with another substance. When mercury reacts with another substance, it forms a compound such as inorganic mercury salts. Did that one enter? Did it enter your head? Did it enter? Let's look at this question number 6. A breath test used by traffic police. A breath test used by traffic police to check drunken driving. Uses dash: A. Turmeric on filter paper. B. Silica gel coated with saliva nitrate. Okay. C. Potassium permanganate sulfuric acid. D. Potassium dichromatic sulfuric acid. The answer is D. Whenever you hear about breath test, know that it is potassium dichromatic sulfuric acid. A breathalyzer or breathalyzer is a device used for estimating blood alcohol content, BAC, or to detect virus or disease from a breath sample. Okay? For those that drink, when you say you don't drink, they will use this medium to check. Question number 4. What is the IUPAC name of the following compound? Who can tell me the full meaning of IUPAC? You watching this video, come under the comment. Don't dodge, or if you dodge, I will catch you. Tell me the meaning, the full meaning of IUPAC. 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 We normally talk about IUPAC nomenclature. What is the IUPAC name of the following compound? HC, then this, you can see the compound in the screen. The IUPAC name is simple. The IUPAC name is simple. Methylacetylen. This must be hydrocarbons. Okay. Let's look at this question 4. The scientists who stated that matter can be converted into energy is dash. The scientists who stated that matter can be converted into energy is dash. A. Boyle. B. Lavoisier. C. Avogadro. D. Einstein. The scientists who stated that matter can be converted into energy is it Boyle? Is it Lavoisier? Is it Avogadro? Is it Einstein? I will not tell you the answer. Go over, make your research in your textbook or in Google, then come over and answer the question. It's an assignment. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol is dash. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol is dash. A. Maltase. B. Zymase. C. Dietase. D. Invertase. Zymase is an enzyme complex that catalyzes the fermentation of sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. It occurs naturally in yeast. Assignment to another assignment. What define enzyme? Tell me everything you know about enzymes. Tell me everything you know about enzymes. But remember, if we have done other videos so on use of English, on physics, on chemistry, on biology, on your other subjects, if you need me to give you the link to the videos we have done, let me know so that I could share them with you. If you also need me to give you the link to the from that contains all the videos we have done on physics, all the videos we have done on chemistry, just let me know. Mention the subject and tell me to give you the link on that subject so that you can begin from part 1 to watch and watch and watch. What is the common name of the compound? Bracket CH3, close bracket 2, CH, then CH2 / Br. The answer is isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide. In part 9, we will certainly continue with our review questions and answer for you in chemistry. We have also done several other ones. Don't jump my assignment. Don't jump my assignments, okay? For you to receive those free materials, free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. If you have not joined, there is a link in this video. It's somewhere in our YouTube channel. Click on it and join. Don't dodge it. It's compulsory. If you want me to attend to you personally, if you want me to keep dropping videos, if you want to ask your questions, if you want to receive anything ensure you join. Go and join now. Number 2, like this video. When you join this YouTube channel, then come back and like this video. Very important. Number 3, when you like this video, share this video. Sharing it is very crucial. Click on share it here on YouTube, then click on share again, copy the link, share it on all the WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Facebook channels, all the platforms you belong to, all your classmates and friends, all other JAMBites. Give them access to the link. Just share it to them. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Remember, I said number 1 that is compulsory is join. When you join, like this video, share this video on all these platforms, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. Don't forget my assignment. There's a video on the screen. Tap on it and watch now.